Good morning. Ready to start the day with an invigorating stretch? In this morning mobility with yoga session, we'll wake up the body, increase flexibility, and activate energy for an amazing day. Let's go. Take a deep breath, in through your nose, and out through your mouth. Let go of any remaining sleepiness and bring your attention to your body. Now, let's begin our morning yoga practice for mobility. First, we have the seated stretch. Imagine you're stretching after a good night's sleep. Raise your arms up high, stretch your spine, and feel your body waking up. Next, we have cat-cow for 5 breaths. This movement warms the spine and releases tension. Breathe in as you arch your back. Breathe out as you curve your back, pulling your belly button inwards. Now let's move into downward facing dog for 30 seconds. Feel the stretch in your legs and back. Breathe deeply, and if needed, bend your knees slightly to adjust the pose. Our fourth pose is the low lunge with twist, 20 seconds on each side. Step one leg forward, twist your torso, and extend your arm towards the sky. This pose awakens the body and improves hip mobility. Maintain your balance, breathe deeply, and feel the stretch. Finally, we have child's pose for 20 seconds. Knees on the floor, arms extended forward, and forehead resting on the mat. Time to relax. Let all your body weight melt into the floor and feel a wave of calm. Now, return to a seated position with your hands on your heart. Take a deep breath and feel the energy flowing throughout your body. You're ready for an amazing day. If you enjoyed this practice, comment, "I woke up refreshed," and share it with a friend. See you in the next session.